Today it is a beautiful day in Q Mountain Vista. We're at 605 Arrowhead Drive, open house 10 to 2. I'll be here until 2 o'clock today. We are drawing today at 1:45 for our giveaway basket. It is a load off your mind. This is your neighborhood. It's a nice neighborhood. One street in as you enter. Beautiful cactus gardens on each side. Nice. Man cave too. So let's go inside. Okay. So entering in. That is a bonus room. Propane heat. Oh. So the bonus room. Nice view. Oh, yeah. That's hello. Guess we can come in from the living room. This is, so you have a nice, just shaded carport, patio. But yeah, so we'll come back in. So you have lots of cabinets. This place does always have lots of cabinets. Full-size refrigerator, built-in microwave. And we cannot forget, yes, that's my coffee over there. We are doing another giveaway. To load off your mind. Yes, it is laundry essentials, you know, treats. So then you come into nice private Jack and Jill bathroom. Spacious, squeaky little door. So currently listed at $80,000. Deeded land. The Highline 2006 Highline is not affixed to the land. So it is a land listing with a dwelling. There's another door right here that makes it nice and private. So sliding door. I come out on the back porch. Nice little, put a little table out here, have coffee, watch the sunrise over there. Do have Q Mountain, but anyway. Let's come over here. This is a full RV hookup. Water, 30 amp. And the come out. Fire pit. And then you have a breaker in here. You have a washer and dryer, stackable washer and dryer that does work. And then you just got, you know, a shop, or a shed, or storage, what have you. With shelves and workbenches, etc. And then, this chain link fence on 3 sides, and a beautiful brick wall in the front with the metal gates. This is where the connection for the home is. Okay, again, that is 605 Arrowhead Drive in Q Mountain Vista. And I'm here until 2. And it is a beautiful day. And with that beautiful day, I'm doing a giveaway.